Now, in order to build this church, it was not so simple. You needed finance.
Correct.
So where would you get the finance? There were very good benefactors.
Okay.
One of them was called Don Remo Mascarenhas. That is dedicated to him. Let's go and have a look at it. There are many details that are given here in the life of Saint Francis Xavier. But this is indicating that this Geronimo Mascarenhas was actually the captain of Cochin and of Ormuz.
Okay.
He gave his wealth to build this church. And he died in 1593. In 1594 they started the work of building this basilica, the church. It was called the Church of Jesus at that time.
Oh, this was called Church of Jesus.
And that one was called the House of Jesus.
Okay.
Right? The Jesuits were always centered on Jesus. We didn't have any saint as such at that time. But of course, people were already considering many of them saints who had done great works.
Yes.
So this is the cenotaph that is dedicated to him. Now you see these benches, pews.
Correct.
These were not there in the beginning. They have been brought later. It used to be just plain here.
Okay.
So people could stand and they could occupy and they could just sit on the floor.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
So the benches came later.
Yeah, the benches.
Way
came.
later.
Also, all of this has come later. This is the original. This is how it was. in the
like
stone.
this it was?
Yes, it was
Okay,
like
okay,
this. Then later on, these stones were put much later.
While walking towards the front door of Basilica, I discovered more interesting facts about this church. So Father, what is that?
This is in a cruciform. Cruciform means like a cross. So this part is this. These are the two arms of the cross, and that's the front part. That is the sanctuary.
Okay.
It is a sanctuary, and on the two sides, these are called the transepts. There are two chapels. This is the north, this is the south.
Okay.
That's the east, this is the west.
Okay.
So in the evenings, when the sun is going down, this whole place is lit up. And since these altars are gilded in gold, they simply glow.
Yeah, I was just about to ask, what was there to just make this whole thing so? What was there to just make this whole thing so
Bright and glowing.
glowing?
Yeah. It's because of the gilding. It is gilded, this wood is gilded in gold, and that is why it took them, 11 years to finish this church.
11 years.
Yeah. Though the Casa Professa, which is on the side, was just done in 2.5 years. That was actually 3 floors, and this church took 11 years. Yeah.
But you can see the details and you know that's why it took so much time.
Yes.
So yeah, this is what we were talking about.
Yeah, this is the one, the side.